CD Great Furniture was founded in 2002 by James Liu, based in Taiwan, supplying worldwide market with ready-to-assemble mounting solutions, including height-adjustable table, sit-stand desk, monitor arms, tablet, laptop solutions, and accessories that create ergonomic workspace for various application areas. In order to meet each customer's expectation, every step of the manufacturing process is monitored under supervision, including incoming material inspection, processing and product inspection, final product inspection, packaging regular checkups, so that quality and safety standard is guaranteed. Additionally, our quality control inspecting team, composed of well-trained professionals. We have our own testing lab facilities, equipped with projection comparator, Rose analyzer, fatigue, hardness, and endurance capability testers to ensure the best quality provided. SOP is laid out in detail and strictly abided by each stage, leading to proven efficiency and accuracy in mass production. We have experience, capability, and R&D resources to develop and manufacture OEM and ODM products according to clients' samples and drawing. We also provide comprehensive solutions for clients to refine the design, streamline manufacturing process to reduce costs, making designs possible for manufacturing and appropriate for marketing. Moreover, over years of close partnership with upstream suppliers, CDG could provide a variety of related products other than on the website or catalog. Our products are manufactured under a strict control program with ISO 9001 certified and awarded with Taiwan Quality Product Bravo Award.